I need to check to see if this Frigidaire oven is working properly or not. Basically, it was said that it only gets to about 260 degrees in the oven. So it is a Frigidaire. I'm just going to quickly look inside here and look for any signs of damage. So upper element. I don't see any cracking. So the best thing to do is let's heat it up and see what happens. So I will be using the multi-comp digital multimeter, the MP730026, my most favorite one. And I will be using the temperature probe on it. I'm going to fire this up. Then I got to go do some weed whacking. Okay, I guess I could turn the oven light on. I just want to, while I'm in here, just verify the fan's working. Alright, so let's go to bake. And let's go... So on here, I just clicked on the bake. And so they're saying it only goes up to 260 degrees. Okay, this is not what they think it is. So I'm just going to run this. Okay, we should be warming up. I'm just going to get my... So I think I know exactly what they were doing. And we're just going to verify by going over here. Alright, so... Oh, okay, so the camera picks it up. It's a bad angle for me, but... So we're going to just let that do its thing here. And I'll be back in a moment. And so what we want to do is we can go to Fahrenheit on our meter here. So we're on Fahrenheit. So if we're at, I'm going to just guess that that's what they did. So sometimes people, they come in, they're from either the States or somewhere where they have both listings of Celsius and Fahrenheit on there. And we all know that one is greater than the other. So that being said, I'm going to give this about 5 minutes here and then we'll check it out. Slightly unrelated, they were going to cook this pizza by the looks of it, but they left it here. So this pizza is still good. It was in the freezer, but because it would only go up to 260 degrees, they thought it was no good. Now, we're at 155 degrees Celsius. Now, if we go to Fahrenheit, you're going to see we're at 316. So usually, 425, 450, that's probably the usual pizza temperature, right? So to me, it looks like, yeah, it kind of sucks for them because they could have cooked their pizza and it would have gotten up to temperature. So I'm just going to go back to Celsius because I have a feeling that it is going to be 260. So we're almost there, another 100 degrees, but it is warming up. So I'll be back. 260, and this is what I think they're doing. So let's go over to Fahrenheit. So yeah, this is more than good for cooking their pizza. So like I said, about 425 would have been perfect there. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to change the Celsius to Fahrenheit. I've already done it, but I'll show you guys here. So we just hold down the broil button for about 7 seconds. And then it'll say Celsius, and then we'll go down to Fahrenheit. And then I think we press something. I don't know. Let's try to go to bake. There we go. Now we're good. Okay, alright, if you like this video, hit the like button, give me that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, stay tuned for more randomness.